Hey, what's up? Dean, Safe Performance. We're at the shop today, and A, it's my birthday. B, it is a Dodge Charger Hellcat Red Eye or something. Yeah. So, got this here yesterday. I guess they did exhaust work to it. We're gonna find out here in a second. So yeah, just about no exhaust on it. Just the stock cats are on it. He got a Corsa kit, which looks to be all stainless but MIG welded. Which is weird to me that Corsa would do that. Corsa's pretty expensive stuff. You can see the tips are nice and TIG welded, but then the tip Y or whatever you want to call it is MIG welded to the stainless muffler. And I almost question it might be a 409, like a cheaper stainless. Might not actually be. I don't know. It is full stainless. But the weld is magnetic, which is pretty crazy to me. Clamps are all stainless. Oh nope, the bolt is not stainless. So, but anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna get cracking because certain somebody, won't name names, drives a teal Capri, which is basically like a crappy version of a Mustang. Was supposed to have it all on here, so, and I was only supposed to make it under the axle pipe. Now I'm bolting the whole exhaust on, Christopher, but I won't mention names. So I'm gonna get cracking on this, get it knocked out, and yeah, see what we got. Weird to me that the damn rear tire is almost as big as the front tire. I don't know tire sizes. It's one thing I lack. Where are you? All right. Oh, 315, 35, 20. 315, 35, 20. 315, 35, 20. They're the same size. I mean, that's good if you get rotate the tires. It's all the same size tire. It's crazy to me that a Hellcat would have a same size rear as it does a front. Steers like a bitch, but don't grip for shit. Anyways, I'm gonna get cracking on this thing. All right, so it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know when I started it, 10-ish, and I took a little break, but are you ready for the Red Eye Hellcat? So yeah, originally thought it was 2.5. Bought a 2.5 kit. It has a bunch of pre-bends, have a bunch of pre-bent mandrel stuff, stainless. It's 2 3/4, which is an oddball size. Not a lot of people use it. So me being me, kind of poke around and I look and find that I have in that corner right there, all those shiny pieces standing up, I have a bunch of 3-inch pipe. So I take a piece of 3-inch, stick it over the bell end. You can see the bell end right there, kind of. I mean, you can barely see it, to be honest. But you can see the bell end right there. So it fit really, really good. And I was like, well, I don't have any bends. I'll make the bends, which is basically all the pie cut stuff. Technically, this has an angle, pie cut, pie cut, pie cut, pie cut, pie cut, pie cut angle. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces here, technically. And I tried to kind of tuck it up and over first and then come back and down and under, blah, blah. Same with this one. I tried to keep it tucked up, and then, I mean, you can see every pie cut is pretty much turned in a different direction to get it to where I need it. I started on this side, knocked it out. Well, I knocked this piece out, stuck it in there, and sent Chris, who we all hate, a picture. He said, I don't have an issue with it, looks fancy, so send it. And that's what we did. So we got all the clamps on, everything's tight. These ones, normally what I do with this X pipe is I get the X pipe in position and I do clamp it, and then I put a stand under the back side of it just so I don't tug down on the clamps. But I do clamp it to hold it in position, because the kits, it's not too bad if you're just putting it all together, and then you can kind of go through and clamp one at a time and wiggle and twist and do. But with this being, each piece needs to be in a different direction to line up to the next piece, it needed to be a little more solid. So I had this bolted together, the X pipe clamped. These were just shoved on because this is all bolted together now. It's one piece. And then I put a stand back here. I positioned the tips so they're pretty freaking flat there. I mean, pretty damn flat there. I clamped them up in there with the factory hanger somewhere in there. There it is. That's the factory hanger. So I also put like never sees on the rod and inside the boot, just because I don't know why, just so it doesn't like kind of stick in the boot or something. I don't know. I do some weird shit sometimes. They are gonna have to do some zip ties. All this, I don't know, shocks and stuff. All these lines are like really on top of the exhaust right here, which this is part of the kit. So again, these kits are never like this. I mean, it's all heat wrapped, yeah, but you don't want the wire sitting on it. So they're gonna have to figure that out. That's something they'll have to do, because I'm not doing it. There's like literally nowhere to zip tie or do anything. So I will give fair warning to Christopher. They heed the warning or not, it's up to them. So yeah, I mean, quick Hellcat. I'm gonna set it down. We'll start it up, see what it sounds like. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of the way they sound, but we'll see. Corsa's a pretty good exhaust, so let's see what it sounds like. It's all right. Thing I don't like about it is that raspy sound. And also, you got these tips sticking out. I like that. You can see the name on it. Like, I don't get it, but maybe I'll stick it up in the air, see if I can't straighten that out a little bit. But for this one, done. I'll try and tug that one back a little, but I ain't worried about it. It's a exhaust kit, is what it is. But I appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to be notified of new videos, and have a good day.